The first step is to take a look at the installation of the pipeline. This is a raw water with 6 points of inner silk. The water inlet is connected to the water pipe. 6 points filter water outlet water pipe. 4 minutes inner wire drain to connect to sewer. Installation complete. The second step is to connect the power. The power input is connected to 220 volts of household electricity. The power output is connected to a 220-volt water pump. If it is a smart pump, the power output cannot be connected. 3. Connect the pressure switch of the float or pressure tank. If not, don't pick it up. Automatic is an automatic operation of a device. Rotate to automatic mode. The device goes into automatic operation. Hit manual mode. Enter the manual way of working. Stop mode. Device stops working. Step 3. Installation of the sterilization lamp. We remove the nuts at the upper and lower ends of the sterilization lamp. Then find the sleeve of the germicidal lamp. Connect to sealing rings. First insert the sealing ring into the hollow part of the casing. This place must be flat. No folds. Let's put it 2 centimeters away. Then slowly press down a little bit. Insert the lower sealing ring into the bottom of the casing. Be sure to press and hold it on when setting. Don't break the casing. It must be flat when sealed. Otherwise it will leak. Top solid nut. And look at the top. Put the upper sealing ring again. Put in the hollow nut again. Next we find the lamp. Put it in slowly, to be at the depth of a finger. We plug in the power cord. During installation, we are going to slowly plug in the pole and power supply. It's directional. If the direction is wrong, the hole spacing in this one is not correct. So we have to align the hole spacing and insert. Put it in slowly. Put on our holsters. Installation complete. The fourth step is to take a look at the use of the equipment. After the first water pass, the hands of the pressure gauge will slowly rise. When the pressure rises to 0.1, we open the exhaust valve to vent. When the water comes out, we close the exhaust valve. Ultrafiltration is used for the first time. Be aware that there are many in it. There will be a lot of foam in it for the first time. We need to open and connect pipes to drain the water. After draining the water in the ultrafiltration, reconnect the pipeline. Connect the pipes. It can also drain water faucet at home. But it drains water from the faucet at home. It will definitely take longer. The sixth step is to take a look at the cleaning of the filter element. Before bag filter replacement, we need to close the raw water intake. Close the raw water inlet and filter outlet. And then, open the bag filter outlet. See here pressure gauge. After the pressure gauge is 0, we close the water outlet. Loosen the filter element with the help of a tool. OK, loose clamp. Remove the clamp. Open the lid. Through our pressure plates, remove the filter element from the pressure plate inside. Take out our filter bags. Water washes our inner surfaces. All our impurities are on the inner surface. If the inner surface cannot be cleaned, it is recommended to replace the filter bag directly with a new one. After replacement or cleaning, we'll put the filter element back in and put it in our power strip. Handle for fixing the platen. Tighten the handle. No need to be too tight here. We mainly press the socket inside. Then close the lid. Tighten the clamp. So that's it. When we re-water the back filter, open our exhaust valve. Exhaust. Just open the lid. We need exhaust. Pressure should not exceed 600 billion. Be sure to pay attention. We are generally within 0.3-0 when using. Do not exceed 0.6. Next, let's take a look at the replacement of ultrafiltration. Replacement and cleaning tutorial. Method: first, close the raw water inlet and filter the water outlet. A valve on a pipe. And then, open the valve at our sewage outlet. When the pressure gauge reaches 0, we close the sewage outfall. Open the clamp. Unscrew the union. Remove the filter element inside. We can find a basin or bucket. And then, to clean the surface of the filter element. When cleaning, we can lift the filter up. Flip to the top. And then, clean our membrane filaments. You can scrub it with your hands. But don't use detergent or cleaning agent and other things to clean. If it's yellow inside, or it cannot be washed with water, you can soak it in sodium hypochlorite for 1-5 minutes. Or soak for 5-10 minutes. Then rinse it out with water. After cleaning, let's put the filter back in place. And then, put in the filter. Screw the slip knot. Tighten the clamp. Be sure to tighten it. There is a sealing ring inside. Don't lose. And then, complete. Open the raw water inlet and filter outlet in turn.